Иду на вечеринку. Вот this is barn. This is the cowboy place. That's me going to cowboy party. Cowgirls, cowboys. Как вам эта ковбойская одежда? Уху! Barn. Уху! Нифига, посмотрите, куда мы попали. Вау. Ничего себе, очередь еще попасть туда. Мои сапожки. Как вам? Не попали мы сюда. Какие-то малолетки пришли. Invasion. Нас не пустили. Не, я шучу, нас пустили, но много малолеток, поэтому мы идем в другое место.
Cowgirls. You're just gonna, it's gonna be in a queue. I think we have one
$3?
Yep. Pretty.
We have the diamonds.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
Oh, where's the stuff? Where'd they go? That is Josie. I'm not loud. He said I'm loud and crazy. I sound loud and crazy.
Oh, that's fair.
He must know you for sure. Are you making it up or you no, follow her.
Okay.
Come on. Crazy girls want to dance.
Hey.
Are you making this up? We know it.
Now shake it. Hey.
Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me. Come on, birthday girls. Shake it for me, birthday girl.
Hey.
Woo! Shake it, baby. Shake that hard.
Hey. Oh, wait. What is that?
Don't worry about it.
Leave that way.
You are the way you want to go, girl. Yes. Yeah!
Talk it out. Tell me front left.
Okay. 2. Out.
Now kick. Kick.
Got it. 1.
Now shake. Now take it. Side to side.
Shake it for me. Shake it for me. Shake it for me. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me.
Over there.
Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me.
Run it back.
Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me.
Hey.
Yeah. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried.
A cold beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right.
Like this.
Oh my gosh, that's which one?
I said Jesus Christ.
Okay, Mary, you must drop there.
I know. She got it with the hands and then. Yes.
Nakita.
So, this is your Zuma crew.
Tremenda rosa. Hey. Vamos. Mary, Mary. Vamos.
Full bathroom. And connection for other bathrooms. No, we're gonna do RV, but we want to park, the septic for the RVs to connect to that too. So we want to have a bathroom for that and a connection for RV. Yeah, definitely. It's too far from our septic. We gotta do a new one.
I got us some cameras, so we're gonna.
Oh, she did. She really did.